These are the most necessary peripherals you should connect to your system unit to be able to run the computer easily. A. Joystick, headphones, speakers. B. Speakers, printer. C. Keyboard, mouse, monitor. D. Scanner, mouse, webcam.
After removing the central processing unit, add thermal paste on the pins before putting it back to the CPU socket. A. True. B. False. After disassembling a computer, what do you usually do before reassembling the components again? A. Note the specifications. B. Let them dry through the air conditioner or at room temperature. C. Use a well-sanitized moist cloth and wipe the components neatly. D. Put them away in a clean and secure box. Ideally, what is the last component that you take out in the disassembly process? A. RAM. B. CPU. C. Power supply connectors. D. CPU fan. These are the most common ports used by monitors to produce best video qualities except for select one. A. DVI. B. RPS. C. HDMI. D. VGA. It is a layer of software used to manage computer resources. It provides the interface, configures and manage hardware to connect components to applications. A. Program applications. B. BIOS. C. Operating system. D. Device drivers.
When wearing the anti-static wrist wrap, where should the other end, aside from the wrist, should you clip the wrap onto? A. Unpainted part of the case. B. I/O bezel plate. C. Any screw. D. Standoffs of the case. What is the best indicator that you have successfully assembled a computer? A. All wires are connected and the lights blink when turned on. B. You are able to close the system case cover. C. The PC is able to boot up to the BIOS. D. There is a beeping sound as you turn it on. The following are wirings from the power supply connected to the motherboard except for A. 24-pin ATX power connector. B. SATA power connector. C. 2-pin power connector. The following are encryption methods for wireless networks except for A. 802.1x authentication. B. Wi-Fi protected access, WPA and WPA2. C. Wired equivalent privacy, WEP. D. Weblock system. It is used to connect and route circuits for monitoring, interconnecting, and testing circuits in a convenient and flexible network. Organizing these is important in the workplace to minimize hazards like hanging and open network cables. A. Switch. B. Modular box. C. Patch panel. D. Hub. E. Router. It is the medium through which information usually moves from one network device to A. Modular box. B. Wire packet. C. Topology. D. Cable. E. Patch panels. All modern routers support 802.11n or wireless N, which offer stable speeds. A. True. B. False. It is the actual measurement of the network's state of operation over a period of time. The record is used as basis. A. Ping results. B. Network testing. C. Utility command tool. D. Strategic network plan. (192.168.0.1) is the most common default IP address when you are accessing the router. A. True. B. False. A good network testing strategy is one where the network manager is able to predict the operation of the network. A. True. B. False. This is the most popular type of cable used for local area networks. It has two shelded wires twisted each. A. Unshelded twisted pair cable. B. Fiber optic cable. C. Shelded twisted pair cable. D. Coaxial cable. This is a network device that forwards data packets along networks. It is connected to at least two networks, usually two LANs or WANs or a LAN and the ISP network. A. Switch. B. Hub. C. Repeater. D. Router. This is a group of computers and connected devices that share a common communication line to a server. A. IP address. B. Local area network. C. DHCP server. D. Hub. E. Client. The following are client-server topologies except for A. Multiple clients no server. B. Multiple clients multiple servers. C. Single client single server. D. Clients single server. It is the storage of files stored by the user to the computer server. A. Ads. B. Random access memory. C. Memory. D. User folder. Client-server, according to the Management Information System, is the new technology that yields solutions to many data management problems faced by modem organizations. A. True. B. False. One of the main disadvantage of using server-client systems is the cost, such as maintenance cost, training cost, hardware cost, software cost. A. True. B. False. This service is one of the most used on a Windows network. It enables one to realistically assess operational requirements and server performance for each computer. A. Web services. B. Domain controller. C. File services. D. Remote access. A server that runs ads is a client controller. A. True. B. False. The server is the process which provides requested services for the client. A. True. B. False. The boot process has four major stages: 1. Pre-boot, 2. Boot, 3. Load, 4. Initialization. A. True. B. False. The blank is the package that contains Windows PowerShell commands. A. Commands. B. Configuration. C. Modules. D. Actions. The printer services role provides essential services for managing files and the way they are made available and replicated on the network. A. True. B. False. Which of the following are the benefits of conducting maintenance? A. Increased data protection. B. Extended device life. C. Increased equipment stability. D. Reduced repair costs. E. All of the above. Regular cleaning of components makes the computer at risk to overheating. A. True. B. False. The following are the techniques and strategies that you may perform when you are trying to solve hardware issues except for A. Run CCINER. B. Check cable issues. C. Trial and error. D. Document computer issues. The following are ways to maintain your computer except for A. Defragment the hard drive routinely to keep the device running smoothly. B. Search and delete spyware and viruses from the device. C. Install more programs. D. Uninstall programs that are no longer used. E. Clean browsers. Before backup, make sure to verify the following with the customer first: date of last backup, content of backup, data integrity of the backup, availability of backup media for data restoration. A. True. B. False. The following are purposes of preventive maintenance except for A. Reduces the probability of hardware or software problems. B. Upgrading certain hardware or software for security and reliability. C. Organize electrical-related circuit maintenance. D. Ensures minimal system failure. Is the copy of data on a computer or hard drive that is saved to an external media such as a DVD, CD, or flash drive. In an organization, it is routinely done, may it be daily, weekly, or on a monthly basis. This is to ensure that the organization's data are protected and are readily available. A. Defragmentation. B. BC. Preventive maintenance. D. Emptying the recycle. By A properly maintained computer gives higher speeds, may it be via RAM or on the Internet, regardless of hardware setup and configurations. A. True. B. False. Troubleshooting is not honed over time. Every time an issue is resolved, this should follow guidelines on textbooks and manuals strictly. Through troubleshooting experience, one should know the steps needed to resolve an issue quickly. A. True. B. False. The two methods to eliminate a virus is through L. Removing the virus and 2. Quarantine. A. True. B. False.